Hi everyone, it's JoshsCindyLou, aka TwinnyTwinMom, and I am here with some more controversy. Apparently, someone on a Facebook page that I'm a part of, it's kind of a group for YouTubers, went on and said that she had all of her videos that were loaded onto YouTube stolen by a company in Germany that has a website, and she went on there and she checked and they had taken more than one. So she posted it and a bunch of us went and looked, and this website has stolen pretty near all of my videos and posted them on their channel. Now, I went to the channel and I pulled up a couple of them, and they do link to YouTube. Like, you have to, it has the same number of views and everything, but they are running ads and they're getting paid from those ads posting my stuff on their website without permission. So as a YouTube creator, a content creator, and an influencer, I wanted to give other YouTubers the heads up, and the website is called GermanTube.xyz. So the actual website is www.GermanTube, that's GermanTube.xyz. Please go to that website and punch in your name, maybe some names of videos that you have, and see what comes up. This is a heads up to everyone in the YouTube world, any influencer or content creator or anything of that sort. This is not okay. They're getting paid for our stuff. So please put comments in the comment section and let me know if you were robbed as well. Okay, good night everyone.